Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how to use a sizing kit. It is pretty easy and simple, and it's a really quick process. You do it one time and then you know your size forever. This is the best way to find the most precise fit. Of course, if you don't want to order a sizing kit prior to your order, you're more than welcome to measure your nails. And we also have a general guideline on our website on how that works and how to do it. It's pretty easy to use, but like I said, if you want the most precise fit, I would recommend ordering a sizing kit. So here today we have the long coffin sizing kit, and the way this works is we have a extra small, a medium, and a large. You'll be able to see what numbers are an extra small, or what numbers are a small, what numbers are a medium or a large, so you can go ahead and compare what size you'll be needing. Starting off with our pinky, I'm going to be using the number 9. Now I'm just going to see if it fits sidewall from sidewall, and it doesn't fit completely. You want it to fit perfectly, and as you can see right here, there's still like a millimeter left. So I'm going to put that back, and then I'm going to go on to number 8. And does number 8 fit sidewall to sidewall? It surely does. So now you know that your pinky is gonna be a number 8. So I'm gonna put that to the side because I know this is gonna be my pinky. If you want to, you're more than welcome to just grab a sheet of paper and write down pinky, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and then just write the numbers right next to it, whatever works best for you. So now I'm gonna continue with number 7 to see if that fits sidewall to sidewall. And number 7 does fit. Now I'm going to move on to the middle finger to see which one might fit. I'm just going to go with a number 5 because I can already tell that the number 6 is looking kind of small. Let's see. Yep, and it fits perfect. You always want to make sure that you're getting the right size, meaning that it fits sidewall to sidewall. Go ahead and take 5 minutes to really figure out your size. You won't regret it, and your sizes will never change. So just do that for yourself. And now I'm just going to figure out which one is my thumb. I can see that 4, 3, and 2, they look kind of small, so I'm gonna go for a number 1. As you can tell, number 1 fits just perfect. So once you get done with one hand, make sure that you double check the other hand, because it is rare, but it can happen that, for example, your middle finger on your left side isn't the same size as the middle finger on your right side. So just double check to be sure. As you can tell here, I have a 1, a 6, a 5, a 7, and an 8. And you're like, girl, hold on. That's not an extra small. That's not a small. That's not a medium. That's not a large. So what do? That's no problem. Meaning that this size will fall under custom sizes. So when you check out, you have extra small, small, medium, and large, and custom. What you want to do is press custom. And when you check out, make sure you write thumb, number 1, index finger, number 6, middle finger, number 5, ring finger, number 7, and pinky, number 8. There's no additional charges for custom sizes. Just don't forget to do this.